What if I told you that you could make $20 every 10 minutes, for free, with just an internet connection? No investments, no experience, just real, legit ways to earn fast cash in 2025. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have multiple ways to start making money instantly. So be sure to watch all the way through. Section 1. User testing websites. First up, we have website testing. Companies will literally pay you to test their apps and websites. Platforms like User Testing pay $10 per test, which takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Complete 2 tests, and boom, there's your $20 in 10 minutes. Just visit the site, sign up, and start getting paid to share your thoughts. But it doesn't stop there. Many companies offer bonus incentives for high-quality feedback, and some platforms even have referral programs. The best part? You don't need any special skills, just a microphone and a working internet connection. This is an ideal way for anyone to start making money online immediately. You can also check out similar sites like Userfeel, TryMyUI, and IntelliZoom, which provide more opportunities for consistent earnings. Section 2. Microtasking sites. Next, let's talk about microtasking. Websites like Clickworker and Amazon MTurk have small, simple tasks like data entry, transcription, and surveys that pay $5 to $10 each. Stack a few of these tasks together, and you're easily making $20 or more in just 10 minutes. These tasks don't require expertise, just patience and attention to detail. Some of the most popular microtasks include image tagging, categorization, and product research, which companies use to improve their AI algorithms. And if you're consistent, you can even qualify for higher-paying projects that offer a steady income. The more tasks you complete, the more opportunities open up for higher earnings per hour. Websites like Appen and Lionbridge also offer similar microtasking jobs, often paying even higher rates for specialized tasks. Section 3. Play games for cash. Yes, you can get paid to play games. Apps like Mistplay pay you real money for trying out new mobile games. On platforms like Skills, competitive players can win cash rewards instantly. If you love gaming, why not make money while doing it? What's even better is that some apps offer sign-up bonuses and daily rewards just for logging in and playing. Some gaming platforms also host tournaments, where you can win even bigger cash prizes if you have good skills. Whether you prefer casual games or competitive challenges, there's a way for every gamer to monetize their playtime. Other platforms, like Lucktastic and HQ Trivia, give users a chance to win real cash, just by participating in daily challenges and competitions. Section 4. Online survey sites. Next up, surveys. Companies pay for your opinions, and you can make around $1 to $5 per survey on sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Knock out a few quick ones, and you'll hit that $20 mark in no time. But did you know that some survey sites offer bonus points, sweepstakes, and cashback deals? That means you can earn even more than just cash payouts. The key to maximizing earnings is to sign up for multiple survey platforms and take advantage of high-paying survey opportunities when they appear. Also, be sure to fill out your profile completely so you get matched with the most relevant and best-paying surveys. Websites like Branded Surveys and Pinecone Research often provide higher payouts for exclusive surveys, making them a great addition to your money-making strategy. Section 5. Selling digital services. For those with a creative side, selling simple digital services is another goldmine. You don't need to be a pro, just offer logo design, voiceovers, or video editing on Fiverr or Upwork. Even basic Canva templates sell for quick cash, making $20 in minutes. Easy money. If you're wondering what sells best, some of the hottest digital products right now include resume templates, social media graphics, and ebook covers. The best part? Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again, turning a one-time effort into passive income. If you're just starting, focus on low-competition niches and offer fast delivery to attract customers and get those 5-star reviews. You can also explore Gumroad and Etsy to sell digital downloads, such as planners, digital stickers, or custom presets for photo editing apps. And that's how you can start making $20 every 10 minutes online for free in 2025. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs extra cash. See you in the next one.